Hello, good morning students. I am Surekha Verma, your English teacher. Students, I explained you in the previous video about the lesson the kite competition. You know about the kite competition? You understood that lesson? Students, Chirag and Rini were very interested. They are very happy for their kite competition. But their kite was not so good. They were worried about their kite because others were very nice, very beautiful kites. But finally, what they did? They decorate their kite with beads, feathers, and mirrors on the tail of the kite. But what happened? Their kite was so heavy for flying. So at last, they taken out the beads, mirrors, everything from their kite, and at last they won the match. Understood, students? Shortly? Okay, now this is word meanings. Sketch. Sketch means drawing. You know about the drawing? Drawing karna. Teenagers means people between the age of 13 and 19 years. 13-19 years के बीच के जो एज होता है उसे कहते हैं टीनेजर्स. Whispered. Spoke very softly. Boring. Not interesting. Nodded. Lowering and raising one's head slightly and briefly. मुंडी हिलाना, जैसे हम मुंडी हिलाते हैं ना धीरे से. Alterations means changes. Weekend. Saturday and Sunday. Sparkled means glitter, जो चमकते हैं ना, हम स्पार्कल पेन यूज़ करते हैं, ग्लिटर पेन यूज़ करते हैं. Wobble means move unsteadily from side to side. Glance means look, नज़र डालना, हम बोलते हैं ना, एक glance, एक नज़र डालना वो. Perking means becoming more cheerful, खुश हो जाना. Moan means made a long low sound. Now answer the following question. Students, I given the worksheet. In that worksheet, I given the question and then answer only. Okay, not the options like this. Okay, so I given the questions like this. What is the purpose of the high flying contest? क्या था पर्पस? कौन सा रीज़न था उसका हाई फ्लाइंग कंटेस्ट का? द आंसर इज टू बिल्ड अ काइट दैट फ्लाइज द हाईएस्ट. दिस आंसर. What rule did Chirag and Rini learn when they were signing up? जब उन्होंने साइन किया तो उन्होंने क्या सीखा उसमें से? What they learn? They learn they could not change their kite design after signing up. काइट का डिज़ाइन वो बाद में चेंज नहीं कर सकते साइनिंग अप करने के बाद. Why did Chirag and Rini's kite crash to the ground during the round 1? Answer is because the mirrors and beads on the tail made kite heavy to fly. Next, which word best describes how Rini and Chirag felt when they saw the plans for the airplanes and spaceship kites? Circle the word. Answer is worried. Okay, this answer I given in the worksheet. Which of these events happens first? सबसे पहले कौन सा इवेंट हो गया था? The answer is Chirag and Rini sketched a design for their kite. Now match each vocabulary words from the story The Kite Competition to its definition. Understand? Now first I will read all the words from A section, afterwards in B section. Registration, teenagers, alterations, stamp, judges, perking up, moon, sparkled, bubble, simple. B section. Changes, gave of flashes of light, process of signing up for an event, people between the age of 13 and 19 years, grown, wiggle back and forth, antonyms of complicated, place ink on paper with a rubber mark or seal. People who determine the winners of a contest. Becoming more cheerful. Now, match it. Don't match like this. Just write down the alphabets here. Okay. Now here, the registration. The answer is C. Process of signing up for an event. Write down here C. Teenagers. Teenagers means people between the age of 13 and 19. Write down here D. Alterations means changes. Write down here A. Stamp. Stamp means place ink on paper with a rubber mark or seal. Write down H. Here, judges. Judges means people who determine the winners of the contest. जो विनर घोषित करता है उसे कहते हैं जजेस. Perking up means becoming more cheerful. Write down here J. Moan. Moan means groan. Okay. Next, sparkled. Sparkled means gave off flashes of light. Write down here B. Wobble means here answer is wiggle back and forth. Then simple. Simple means here antonyms of complicated. Now, underline the subject in the following sentences. आपको क्या करना है? Subject में आपको underline करना है. Most of the seats in the hall were lying vacant. The subject is most of the seats in the hall. This is subject. Next, careless people cause serves accidents. Careless people cause severe accidents. Here, careless people is a subject. Don't throw stones at the animals. Here, don't throw stones. This is a subject. Water pollution can cause serious diseases. Here, water pollution is a subject. The notice board is near the reception. Here, the notice board is a subject. Mr. and Mrs. Khanna visited the doctor yesterday. Here, Mr. and Mrs. Khanna is subject. The water in the river shone brightly in the sunlight. So here, the subject is the water in the river. Now, here, see, listen to the following sentences and supply the subject in H. Dash lives in water. Water में कौन रहता है? You can write anything. Fish, crocodile. Dash is known as the father of the nation. Who is the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Dash is the capital of India. इंडिया की कैपिटल कौन सी है? दिल्ली. डैश इज अ बुक कंटेनिंग मैप्स. किस में मैप्स होते हैं? एटलस में. डैश इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 26 December. राइट डाउन हियर 25. ओके, कट इट 26 एंड राइट डाउन 25 December. 25 December पे हम क्या सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? राइट डाउन हियर क्रिसमस. डैश आर फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग बनानाज. किसे पसंद है बनाना खाना? मंकीज. डैश इज कॉल्ड द किंग ऑफ द जंगल. किसे कहते हैं किंग ऑफ द जंगल? द लायन. नाउ स्पीक अलाउड एंड सप्लाई द predicate in the following sentences. You can write any predicate in these sentences. Okay. Now first I will explain you the Independence Day. Answer. You can write anything. He, the Gita, the orchard, they, a month, the newspaper. You can write any sentence by your own. Understand everyone? Okay. Bye. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.